Volkswagen just revived one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history and turned it into something shockingly luxurious. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Samba Bus, a classic silhouette reborn with modern lighting, executive-level interiors, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're breaking down the exterior design from every angle, stepping inside the ultra-premium cabin, and talking about the engines, pricing, and when this futuristic Samba could actually arrive. Let's start up front. From the front, the 2026 Samba keeps its legendary look. That signature V-shaped chrome trim still cuts across the nose, framing a massive illuminated Volkswagen badge. Round LED headlights with glowing daytime running lights modernize the face while staying loyal to the original microbus. The polished chrome bumper integrates sleek LED markers and airflow channels, while the glass roof panels above hint at panoramic skylights flooding the cabin with light. It's retro, but unmistakably 2026. Along the side, the Samba Bus looks long, clean, and incredibly upscale. The two-tone brown and ivory paintwork is a direct callback to the originals, while huge panoramic windows stretch across the cabin. Large polished alloy wheels give it a planted stance, and subtle rear cooling vents suggest hybrid or electric hardware tucked beneath the body. It feels less like a camper van now and more like a luxury grand touring machine. At the rear, Volkswagen keeps things sleek and architectural. Wide Volkswagen lettering spans the tailgate, paired with vertical LED taillights and a minimalist surface design. Chrome bumpers return below, and twin exhaust outlets hint that combustion, or hybrid power, may still be part of the equation. It's clean, premium, and far removed from anything we've seen on a classic Samba. Step inside, and the Samba transforms into something completely different. Up front, wood veneer panels blend with ambient lighting, digital displays, and physical controls for climate and drive modes. Quilted leather captain's chairs provide first-class comfort, but the real star is the rear lounge. Wraparound leather sofas surround a floating wood table, creating a mobile living room. Wood floors, sculpted ceiling lighting, and panoramic windows turn this into a rolling executive suite. This isn't nostalgia. This is Volkswagen aiming straight at the luxury touring market. Volkswagen hasn't revealed official specs yet, but expect modern electrification. A dual-motor electric setup producing 350 to 450 horsepower makes sense, possibly paired with a 300-mile driving range. Plug-in hybrid versions are also likely, combining turbocharged engines with electric assistance, plus adaptive air suspension to keep ride quality ultra-smooth. This Samba is clearly built for relaxed, premium cruising. With this level of craftsmanship, the 2026 Samba Bus won't be cheap. Expect starting prices around $75,000, climbing towards six figures for fully loaded luxury trims. Volkswagen could reveal the production version in late 2025, with customer deliveries beginning sometime in 2026. This isn't a mass-market van. It's a halo revival. The 2026 Volkswagen Samba Bus proves that retro design and future tech can coexist beautifully. Would you daily drive this modern icon? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more next-gen car breakdowns every week. See you next time.